Okay, today's lesson is all about rates and how we can calculate them. Now, rates are just comparisons of different quantities. So, comparisons of different quantities. An example of a rate would be a heart rate. Okay, so if we're looking at an example, we want to find out a heart rate. Now, we've done this in science, but just to refresh your memory, okay, a heart rate is measured by the amount of beats in a certain time. So let's say we have 300 beats in 5 minutes. Therefore, our heart rate is going to equal 300 beats divided by 5 minutes, which is going to equal 60 beats per minute. What about if we decided to do some exercise? Obviously, our heart rate's going to increase, so we might get 500 beats in 4 minutes. Therefore, our heart rate is going to equal 500 divided by 4, which we know is 125 beats per minute. Now, that's an example, and a very, very basic example, of a rate. Another rate is speed, because speed is measured in kilometers per hour. Now, let's do the speed example. If we were going to drive to Melbourne, so we're driving from Adelaide to Melbourne, Adelaide to Melbourne, and it takes 8 hours, and we cover 1,200 kilometres. We are therefore going to travel at a speed of 1,200 kilometres per 8 hours, which is going to be approximately 150 kilometres per hour. And that is how you calculate different rates.